hope you enjoy our video. Please subscribe here on the red button. Now, all we're going to do is play. You guys know today's Christmas. And you guys at home, you guys can watch my video anytime. Now, let's start. Oh, hi. Anna, yes? Who are you doing? I'm looking for Minnie Mouse. Oh, how? What? How did you get so big? Maleficent, made me so big that I can't even stop sneezing. Hi guys, do you want to have surprises after we get Minnie Mouse back to normal? Yeah! Let's do it. So, first we have to open this medicine. So, we need a pink one for the medicine. Sorry, Kristoff. Now she's shrunk. We need white. Now she's shrunk. Now we need pink. She's shrunk. And we need white. That's the last ingredient. Whoa! How did she turn into that? Miss Camila, how did you do that? That's not supposed to happen. So we have to get another magic. So we need two magics here. White, then pink. And pop! Wow! You're back to normal! So awesome. We love this. Miss Camila, how did you do that? With